So here, when we are going to do a search like this, we'll see on the screen that it appears value notifier error. Now, if you see the error quickly, well, it's going to tell you something like this over here. Pretty much the summary over here. It says that set state or markNeedsRebuild called during build. So what happened? Well, as I was searching this thing, it was updating the UI, but as it was updating the UI, a variable value was set. So we know that you cannot update the UI and set the variable value. You cannot do that, okay? So then you get this kind of error. A lot of time you'll see red screen. So that's the idea. Now in general, if you look at the log carefully, actually it'll tell you that which variable is doing this thing. In my case, it was telling me, so get displayed items, which is this one. So in general, within this, I only have these two variables. Actually, I was trying to update. Now, because of the architecture of this issue or app, this gets called during the build UI phase. It means when Flutter is trying to draw the UI. But as it does, it updates this. Now, as it updates this, it's trying to redraw again, but which is not permissible, So in that case, you need to defer the work. Now, to defer the work, all you need to do, just simply call this post. Now, to defer the work, all you need to do, just simply go ahead and call this widgets binding with add post frame callback, and then you are good to go. So in general, if your variables that get updated during build, in that case, you need to wrap those variables using widgets binding and add post frame callback. So now let's go ahead and see that it works now. So here it reloaded, and then I'm going to do a restart. Okay, so now here I'm going to do a search. Okay, now if you see it, this time we don't have any error. Okay, those are the earlier errors and the error is gone. Anyway, so if you learned, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you.